Now this is the boot failed error. We will look at how to fix it up. When you switch it on, you will come across this error. When you switch it off and switch it on again, you will still come across this error. So we'll use the shortcuts here to bypass this error, and then we'll go into the settings and fix it. To bypass this error, you press on Control Alt button and then delete. Control Alt and delete button at the same time. Alright. Now before it starts up, press the function 2 button using the combination Fn and F2 keys. Alright, we'll just go back. Okay, that's it. Now you'll go into this menu. You use the right direction key. You press until you go to boot option. Enter that. Now hit the down arrow key to select the legacy boot option and you tap on enter. Then you hit the right key, exit, select the save and exit option, then you click on enter again. Okay, it will start up your computer normally. Watch until the end because I'm going to show you after we log in into the computer. I'm going to show you where to stop this to happen again when you start up your computer in the future. Alright, so let's just enter our password. Okay, as I've said, don't skip this video. You watch until the end. We will look at how to set it up. Alright, please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload the next video, you should be able to get notification.